Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling conversations so related messages group visually. First, open the inbox and click the View tab. Once there, turn on Show as Conversations and choose this folder or all folders depending on scope. Make sure Conversation Settings includes messages from other folders if you move Mail or use Rules. This creates threaded groups by subject, which reduces clutter and helps you scan context quickly. Now that grouping is active, move on to refining the view and sorting options. Once conversations are enabled, refine how they appear so you can act faster. Change sort order to newest on top if you want recent context immediately, and toggle message previews to skim content without opening each thread. Use the chevron to collapse or expand conversations. Right-click a conversation to apply quick commands like move or mark as read. Make sure sender and date columns remain visible so you can prioritize. These adjustments help you manage long threads and preserve important context. To finish, actively manage conversations so the inbox stays useful. Use Ignore to mute noisy threads and Clean Up to delete redundant replies. This reduces duplicates quickly. Create rules that move whole conversations into project folders or assign categories automatically, and make sure notifications match your priorities. If a conversation breaks into separate threads, check for subject line edits or missing conversation settings. Subject changes often split threads. If problems persist, restart Outlook and reapply Show as Conversations to reindex threads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.